And the piper is Tom Madden, President of the Irish Vintage Association, all the way from County Cork here today. Very much indeed. That's our first time doing that. The chairman of the Irish Vintage Association, all the way from County Cork, Mr. John Madden. Mr. John Madden took up the position of chairman of this organisation following the passing of Mr. Rockwell from Rosdillig a couple of years back. So thank you very much for that. Now, our first tractor in the parade is owned by David Farrell. It's a David Brown 880 from 1965, a 3-cylinder David Brown, red and yellow. David Brown 880, nice order. Thank you very much, David. Lovely order. Followed by a very unusual Ferguson 25. Now, the Ferguson 25 was rare enough for a French build, 1964, and again is owned by David Farrell. And this one here, they were often confused with a smaller version of the 65 and so on like that, but a Ferguson 25, there are a handful of them around, a 25S. In lovely order, thank you very much, our first lady driver today. Now the next one we have is the David Brown Cropmaster. The Cropmaster dated from the early 50s through the 50s, and this particular tractor is a 1953, and it's owned by Thomas Kane. 1950. This one has a double seat. The driver had to sit with his 2 feet to the left-hand or the right-hand side, and the passenger could sit on the far side. And Thomas Kane is from Dungarvan, County Kilkenny. So there was room for the wife on the left-hand side. If you can get in the gear now, he's right. Thank you very much indeed. A 2-seater David Brown.